Hello everyone, welcome to my vlogs. So I started the day with some breakfast. Even though I am eating healthy, the only thing I would like to keep in my meals are having an iced coffee. So for breakfast I had an iced coffee. This one is already pre-made, so I don't have to add anything to it, and it's got the perfect level of sweetness as well. And then I added some cream, and this just helps me wake up and start the day. For breakfast I had a bowl of shredded wheats with some milk. So for dinner I made some fish and it was seasoned, and I also had some couscous with roasted vegetables and also some boiled broccoli and some mixed vegetables and some sweet corn. And this is quite nice and healthy. The couscous is better than having rice. I also added some spring onions on top to add a bit more flavour. I feel like the sweet corn goes really well with the fish. The fish is codfish. So for dinner I was making some tuna pasta. So I started by frying some onions and some fresh tomatoes. I then added some spices, so I'm just putting in curry powder first. And then I added some cumin powder. And then some coriander powder. And some chili powder. And finally some turmeric powder. I then mixed it all together. I added in some tomato puree. I also added in some water just to make it into a sauce. And then I added in the canned tuna and I just mixed it together. I also added some thyme. And some sweet corn. And then I just boiled some plain pasta and added on the tuna topping onto it. And there is my tuna pasta with a tomato sauce. So the next day I had some carrot soup with some bread. And for dinner I found these teriyaki noodles. So it comes in a nice little box and it's got all the things you need to make it. So it's got the noodles and then you just add the sauce and you put it in the microwave. I did also make some prawns to go with it. So I just seasoned the prawns with some chili flakes and I just made it into a pan. And you just have to put this box into the microwave, and once you've put it in the microwave it makes it all warm. And then I just added in my prawns. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.